3WQF-17018 is a fabulous aviation plant protection vehicle with 18 liters capacity for smart precision agriculture, such as spraying pesticide, soluble fertilizer with plant growth regulator, even do some pollinate work. Advantages of Agri helicopter: Number 1, use gasoline as power, no need to take heavy batteries, recharge the batteries. Number 2, long endurance, double the efficiency comparing with the electric drone. Number 3, smart operation system, functions including autopilot, memorize breakpoint and restore spray, territorial simulation function, smart and sensitive obstacle avoidance, precision work line generation with RTK system. Number 4, powerful down pressure, minimize the droplet drift and enhance the penetration rate. Number 5, extraordinary environment adaptability, very easy to move around. Quanfeng Aviation Plant Protection 3WQF-17018 Helicopter, the smart machine you shall have.